Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gloom-resistant food. We'll explore how specific nutrients can act as powerful allies in supporting your mental well-being. By making conscious food choices, you can positively influence your mood and energy levels. We'll discuss practical ways to integrate these beneficial foods into your daily diet, helping you feel more balanced and resilient. Let's dive into the science behind eating for a brighter outlook. Let's talk about the superstars of mood-boosting nutrition. Omega-3 fatty acids, like those in salmon, are vital for brain health. B vitamins, particularly B6, B9, and B12, play a key role in creating feel-good neurotransmitters. Don't forget magnesium, which can help calm your nervous system. And a healthy gut, supported by probiotics, is surprisingly linked to a happier mind. Aim for a diverse intake of these powerful nutrients. Now, how do we put this into practice? Try to include fatty fish, like salmon, a couple of times each week. Make leafy greens, nuts, and seeds a daily habit for their magnesium and B vitamin content. Incorporate fermented foods, such as yogurt or kimchi, to nourish your gut. And remember, complex carbohydrates like oats provide steady energy and support serotonin levels, contributing to a more stable mood throughout your day. While food is incredibly powerful, a holistic approach truly amplifies your mood. Regular physical activity, even a brisk 30-minute walk, can release feel-good endorphins. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. It's essential for mental restoration. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can help manage stress. And don't forget hydration. Drinking 8 glasses of water daily keeps your brain functioning optimally. Combine these habits for a truly resilient spirit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.